Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Online. I'm Maria, and I'm so happy to see you again in our English challenge. Today is day 5, and our topic is how to learn English faster. Before we start, let me remind you of something very important: shadowing. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills. The idea is simple. You listen to a sentence and then repeat it aloud. Don't worry about being perfect. Just listen, repeat, and practice every day. Today, we will learn through a story. I will say one sentence, and then you should pause the video and repeat the sentence after me. Ready? Let's begin. Emma was a young girl who wanted to learn English. Repeat after me. But she had a problem. Repeat. She studied for many hours every week. Now you say it. However, she still could not speak English confidently. Repeat. One day, Emma asked her teacher for help. Now it's your turn. She said, "I study grammar every day, but I still can't speak well." Repeat after me. Her teacher smiled. Then he asked her a simple question. How much English do you listen to every day? Emma thought for a moment. Then she answered, "Not very much." Repeat after me. The teacher nodded. He said, "That is your first problem." The teacher explained that learning English is like learning music. Repeat. You cannot become a musician by reading about music. You must listen and practice. The same is true for English. Now you say it. From that day, Emma started listening to English every day. She listened while walking. She listened while cleaning her room. Now it's your turn. She listened while having breakfast. After a few weeks, she understood much more English. But she still felt nervous when speaking. So she visited her teacher again. The teacher asked another question. Do you speak English every day? Emma looked down. She answered, "No, I am afraid of making mistakes." The teacher smiled again. He said, "Mistakes are part of learning." Every person makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is to keep speaking. After that conversation, Emma started speaking English every day. She spoke to herself in English. She described things around her. She talked about her day. She talked about her dreams and goals. Little by little, her confidence grew. A few months later, Emma met her teacher again. This time, she spoke English smoothly. She understood movies better. She could read books more easily. She could have conversations without fear. Her teacher was very proud of her. Emma asked, "What was the secret?" The teacher replied, "There was no secret. You listened every day. You spoke every day. You practiced every day. That is why your English improved." And that is the lesson from Emma's story. If you want to learn English faster, remember these simple steps. Listen to English every day. Repeat after native speakers. Use shadowing regularly. Speak English without being afraid of mistakes. Practice a little every day. Stay consistent and never give up. Now, let me tell you how to study with this video. First, listen carefully. Second, repeat every sentence aloud. Third, watch this video again and again. Try to listen and repeat this lesson at least 5 times every day. Do this for 1 full week. If you still need more practice, continue using the same lesson until the sentences become easy and natural for you. When you can understand the story easily and repeat the sentences smoothly, move to the next challenge. Then do the same thing again. Remember, English is not a race. Small daily practice creates big results. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed Emma's story and learned something useful. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. Every day you practice English, you are getting closer to your goals. English can open new opportunities. It can help you study, work, travel, and communicate with people around the world. So don't stop now. I believe in you. See you in day 6 of our challenge. Bye, everyone, and happy learning!